Good morning, guys. This is Mark again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love DIYs, please consider subscribing. Alright, so for today's DIY, this is actually another way of cleaning your aircon and making sure that to always have a fresh and clean air coming out of your aircon system in your vehicle. This is another way, an easier way, but I prefer doing it at the bottom of the cabin where the evaporator is located. And we'd still be using the Mr. Mechanic aircon cleaner. This is about to run out. I might buy a new one. So I've used this for our home aircon system and my car's aircon system for a good year now. I purchased it this summer of last year. Since I made a lot of DIYs recently, I made use of this. But if you're just gonna use this on your car, this will last you for a year or two, depending on the condition of your aircon system. But I guarantee you this actually helps a lot. Again, if you're new to my channel, my Eon or my car is already 5 years old, and the aircon system works like it's brand new. I haven't got the aircon system serviced in any auto repair shop. Most of the cleaning I do are DIYs. I'm gonna link all the related videos on the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is just a very straightforward and quick video.
A few moments later.
Alright, so for this one, it's very easy. Since I don't have the extension hose available for this one, I'm just gonna make sure that to insert the extension as far as I can. Okay, like that, and then shoot. All right, and then the other side. Yeah, I think I ran out of aircon cleaner, but you get the idea. When the foam, if ever you will be able to purchase an aircon cleaner that has an extension hose, you can insert the hose as far as you can so it can reach the evaporator, and then just let it sit for about 10 minutes, or depending on the instructions at the back. Okay, and then once the foam is completely out, you can turn on your aircon system and switch it to the lowest fan speed possible and let it run for about 3 to 5 minutes. And you will notice on the drain hose at the front or at the bottom of your car, you will notice there a soapy water, and you will see some residue of the dirt inside your aircon system. That's actually that would probably come from your aircon vents, or basically your evaporator. Okay, so let's see if there's still left. Yeah, at this point it's just air. Okay. All right, so after doing this, what you need to do is spray the vents, this one, on the driver's side, this and this, and on the passenger side, this and that, and then spray on the vent on the windshield section. Again, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the instructions on the Aircon cleaner that you will be purchasing. All right, so at this point, we're just waiting for the foam there and there to completely flush down to our evaporator and clean the dust and grime on our Aircon system. By the way, my Aircon system doesn't have any problems. It's not dirty, as I mentioned earlier. It's working perfectly fine because I often clean it habitually every a few weeks or so, using that chemical and spraying it with a disinfectant spray every 6 months. I haven't got any issues with the Aircon system. And later on, once this is finished, I'll try to shoot a video underneath the car to show you the what the water looks like on the drain for the Aircon system. And also, guys, let me put in the mic on the Aircon vent so you can hear the chemical reaction.
Later.
Basically, a total of 15 minutes has lapsed since we sprayed our Aircon cleaner. I'm not hearing popping sound, so expect some foam might come out when you turn on your Aircon system, but that's basically normal. You just need to wipe out the foam. There shouldn't be any problems with that. So let me turn on our engine. Okay, and let's turn it on, and let's put it first on level 1. Oh my god, it really smells fresh. It's cold, so luckily, good thing we extended the time that we allotted. Instead of just 10 minutes, I made it to 15 minutes. Let's make this run for about 2-3 minutes, and by that time I'm pretty sure that there should be water coming out of the on the drain hose of our Aircon system, and I'll show you what the water looks like. And I guarantee you guys, if you do this, your Aircon system will smell fresh. It's like brand new if you use this one, because I'm not sure what the scent of other air conditioner cleaner is, but this one I really like. This one smells fresh, smells brand new. I really like it. Not citrusy. It actually smells like some of the hotels here in the Philippines. Aircon system smells fresh, and if you notice, there's still foam coming out. All you need to do is just wipe it dry like that. That is expected. Instead of you guys spending like 3,000 pesos for your aircon system to be clean, you just need to spend, in my case, 500 bucks, and that lasted for a good year, including cleaning our room aircon inside the house. But if you're just gonna use it in your car, that would last you a year or two or more, depending on the usage again of you guys. And for the coldness, I guarantee you that it's really, really, really cold. It's ice cold. Just to give you guys an idea how strong the blower fan is. It has not been replaced. It's still original. Very straightforward. And by the way, this episode is not sponsored by this company. So I'm doing this independently, and I'm not endorsing this specific product. Again, if you find maybe a cheaper aircon cleaner, that would be fine. It depends on your preference, but in my case, this is the only one available when I tried looking for an air cleaner. And you will notice that the temperature inside the cabin is starting to drop. A while ago, it was showing 26, I think, 26 degrees, 0.9, 0.8, something. So now it's 26.2, and it's still dropping. I'm telling you guys, it's ice cold. Let's let it run for another cycle. I didn't notice that the door is open. Let's close that one. All right, 25.9. And that is still dropping. As far as I remember, the coldest temperature that my aircon system reached is about 23 or 22. I can't remember. So let's give it about a minute, another cycle, and let's see if we're still able to drop it a couple of notches in terms of temperature. $25.4. I'm telling you guys, this is ice cold. The aircon system. If you guys want to try it, please feel free to do so. Let me know what is the result, or what's your feedback. Again, this is just my personal maintenance on the aircon system. Nothing has been taken apart. I will link all the videos related to aircon system on the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, thank you so much for the support. If you want, if you have any suggestions for our next DIY, feel free to do so. And yeah, I'll try to make those videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Until our next video.